We all remember the stories that moved us, the ones that created a lasting connection and stayed with us for years to come. Your brand story can have the same impact. At Huebner Marketing, we believe it all starts with relevancy. You can have a great product, but without relevant, meaningful positioning, your brand can become dormant, stale, and declining. When you see the same old problems, we find opportunities. And while you wonder if you're still relevant, we'll help guide you toward the most meaningful road for your success. We help differentiate the products that change the game, make waves, and keep America moving. Together, we'll discover what truly sets you apart, and then develop a roadmap for telling your difference to the world. For more than 30 years, we've been helping clients find their greatest opportunities. And along the way, we'll help you find what sets your brand apart. Bridge goals with the right messaging. Create visuals that make your brand a must-have. Assist your team with the right answers and answer each need with the right resource. After all, when you get your brand in front of the right people at the right time with the most relevant message, there are no limits to what you can accomplish. Better yet, what your customers can accomplish because of you. Know your story. Make your story known.